Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best foldable keyboard available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Moco Keyboard. Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. This portable folding keyboard features a U-shaped surface and 166-degree ergonomic design with embedded full-size keys, which can provide you with a great tactile and smooth user-friendly typing experience, ideal for travel and business trips. Classic leather and a rechargeable battery. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery for 60 hours of continuous operation or 30 days of standby. You can charge it from any USB port using the included cable. The classic and elegant leather design is durable and scratch-resistant, and its excellent tactility and comfortable typing experience work well with a wide range of laptops and tablets. Portable and lightweight. The innovative, magnetic foldable design easily fits into a purse, bag, or pocket. Quiet keys allow you to focus on your work and enjoy the joy of wireless technology life. Number 4. Targus Keyboard. Folding Portable Keyboard. This ergonomic Bluetooth keyboard is an essential companion to your tablet or phone. Its ultra-compact design makes this the perfect mini wireless keyboard for on-the-go students and business professionals alike. Split ergonomic design. Featuring a split keyboard with a slightly angled ergonomic design, you'll be able to type in comfort just like with your regular desktop keyboard. Connection and compatibility. This phone keyboard features reliable and battery-saving Bluetooth 5.1 wireless technology with a rechargeable 100 mAh battery life and connectivity indicator, and is compatible with Windows, Android, iOS, and iPad, perfect for school, business, or travel. This pocket-sized foldable keyboard slips easily into your backpack, making it easy to take to class, meetings, or on an airplane. Multi-device connectivity allows you to link up to 3 devices via Bluetooth. Number 3. Pluggable Keyboard. Adaptable. Going out into the world. Take along a foldable Bluetooth keyboard. Tri-fold design flips out to 9.8 inches when you need it, folds away when you don't. Quick charge battery lasts weeks, and it's compatible with just about anything. Solid build, solid battery. Anodized aluminum houses precision scissor switch keys. USB rechargeable Li-ion battery holds enough power to keep you typing for weeks on a charge. Plus, this foldable small keyboard is a cool case that turns into a stand. Compatible. Yes, it'll work with that. More than an iPad keyboard, more than a computer keyboard. Key quality. High-quality scissor switches supply a satisfying sensation when tapping away on this wireless keyboard. Sounds like a soothing cascade of quiet clicks. Feels strong enough to lend emotional support. Number 2. ProDork Keyboard. Folding full-size wireless keyboard. ProDork X-Cone portable Bluetooth keyboard designed with 105 key layout with number keypad. You can adapt to its layout and enter into working state anywhere. The non-slip pads at the bottom keeps the keyboard balanced and stable. It won't move when typing. Sync up to 3 devices. Our small Bluetooth keyboard allows you to pair up to 3 devices on triple Bluetooth channels simultaneously. Scissor switches quiet typing. The quiet and responsive scissor switches low-profile keys offer fluid, laptop-like efficiently typing. A great wireless foldable keyboard that remove over 90% of disruptive sounds and keep the familiar typing feel. Rechargeable and portable. Built in a 210 mAh battery, the travel folding keyboard is 5 months standby time in a single full charge. Perfect for using on planes, at library, cafes, or anywhere you want. Sturdy and durability. Framed with aluminum body for excellent stiffness, the keyboard smart hinges has a long-term usage. It is very durable and has the ability to resist bumps. You can easily fold up with magnetic, and it won't open easily when you put it in the bag and carry around. Number 1. iClover Keyboard. Recommended for editors. Write down your stories or ideas anytime, anywhere you want, as long as you own one iClover BK3. The slim and reliable typing partner. Portable and lightweight. Convenient and lightweight pocket-sized. Tri-folding Bluetooth keyboard, perfect for travel. And 4 silicone pads were attached to keep this folding keyboard stable. Even though it's slim and lightweight, you don't need to worry it will move when you're typing. iOS, Windows, and Android compatibility. Built-in Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 module with an operating range of 33 feet. 3-channel Bluetooth make it easy to set up 3 devices at once with this multi-device Bluetooth keyboard. Ergonomic and durable design. Premium aluminum alloy texture for superior durability. Auto power off and sleep mode function helps to conserve battery. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.